Good morning to everyone. This is Dr. Poongazhi Ilamozhi, Assistant Professor, Head of the Department of Chemistry, National Institute of Technology, Puducherry, Thiruvettakudi, Karaikal. So, for getting PhD admission in centrally funded technical institute, it requires GATE CSIR score in addition to MSc degree. So, for getting MSc admission, so it requires JAM score in addition to BSc degree. So this year National Institute of Technology Puducherry going to start BSc B.Ed 4-year integrated teacher education program for the National Common Entrance Test is available. So for all these exams we are interested to give awareness program. That is, last year we have conducted 2 days workshop on career guidance in higher studies at centrally funded technical institutes. This year also we are going to conduct 5 days national workshop entitled Career Guidance in Higher Studies at Centrally Funded Technical Institutes on October 3 to 7, 2023, which deals on awareness about centrally funded technical institutes and their importance with communication skill, personality development, technical skills and motivational speech, with this competitive exam tutorial section also available. In addition to this, we are going to arrange virtual tour on chemistry research laboratory in USA. All are invited to participate in this workshop and benefited on it. All the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
What are the benefits of this event?
Communication skill, technical skills, personality development, research achievement, motivation and the competitive exam for the high studies and the job.
With the success of CGHS 2022, we are organizing CGHS 2023 and the resource persons are
So this career guidance in higher studies is from October 3 to October 7 and for IIT JAM, CSIR NET and GATE aspirants.
Hi, hello everyone, this is Rida Faizan and this is our chemistry department. Our department. Let's go guys.
We at NIT Puducherry have 2 labs and this is the organic synthesis lab. Come on guys, let's see the lab. Okay guys, let's have a look at our organic research lab.
Hello guys, this is Nanoelectrochemistry lab. Let's go inside.
Department of Chemistry have got distinguished and eminent faculty members.
Let's have a look at our classroom teaching.
What are you waiting for? For more information, visit nitby.ac.in immediately.